Is your VW Golf's alarm randomly triggering? The most frequent causes are a faulty door latch switch, a failing comfort module, or a depleted siren battery. The door latch switch can send false signals that a door is open, triggering the alarm even when all doors are closed. The comfort module, also called the BCM or body control module, is the control center that processes signals from sensors. It can malfunction due to electrical issues or water damage, causing erratic alarm behavior. The siren has its own backup battery, and when depleted, it can cause intermittent or weak alarms that trigger unexpectedly. To pinpoint the problem, start by inspecting the door latch switches for wear or damage. Use a multimeter to test their continuity. Next, consider the comfort module. Check for water ingress and use an OBD2 scanner like VCDS to look for relevant fault codes, such as BCM-related codes like 01234 for door jar errors. Finally, test or replace the siren battery. For door latch switches and siren battery replacements, aftermarket parts are fine, but comfort module replacements should be OEM or high quality due to high failure rates. Also, consider OTA software updates via the Volkswagen CarNet app if you own a newer Golf to recalibrate alarm sensors.